Hi, it's Micki with IamMicki.com. Hi, welcome to the 360-degree market update for September 2019 for Richmond County. If you're hoping to buy this year, but you haven't been in the market for a while, you might get overwhelmed by sticker shock. And for current homeowners waiting to sell for the highest profit, you definitely want to keep an eye on the growth of your home's value. Whatever your situation, we are here to help you unpack this month's 360-degree market update for Richmond County. That way, you will know what to expect when it comes to the largest asset. Who am I? I am Micki Esposito, your local real estate advisor for Momentous Realty. There are only a certain number of houses that will sell in any market in any given period of time. Let's see if your house will be one of them. Now let's go into the figures and check out the local market activity for Richmond County. Our current active listings, our total solds, our year-to-date solds, our pending solds. Now let's take a look at how properties are being priced when they are listed. At the higher level, there's a $15 million property that's on the market for sale. Average list price, $198,593. And the median list price, $139,000. What higher prices mean for sellers? A nice profit may be on the horizon. The number of homes sold next year is still expected to rise, even if it's at a slower pace. That's great news for sellers, but keep in mind there are a lot of buyers that are being priced out of the market, which could lead to fewer offers for your property. So what should you do about this? You want to beware of your competition. With less offers to go around, you want your home to really stand out from similar homes in your area. You want to prepare your home for potential home buyers and work with a real estate advisor who knows the market to help you list your home at the right price. And you also want to make sure that you wait for the right offer. Some buyers may try to gut punch you with a low number. If you aren't in a hurry to move, just wait for an offer that gives you the most profit. Now let's take a look at how the sales are going in the Richmond County. Our average sales price is $165,080. The median sales price is $147,500. And our total days on the market, or let me correct myself, the median days on the market is 80 days. The housing market is still working in favor of home sellers these days. And unfortunately, the median existing home value has decreased 1.13% in Richmond County. Housing inventory remains low, which keeps demands high. Yet there's another way to measure demand, and that's by calculating the market's absorption rate. What are absorption rates? Well, we can look at it like this. It's the average number of homes sold per month over a particular period of time. That's it. There's nothing complex to it. Understanding absorption rates. Well, before we go into that, let's think about what's a buyer's market? What's a seller's market? What's a neutral market? Well, it's the amount of inventory that determines the market sway. A neutral market will have about 6 months of inventory, and a seller's market will have less than 6 months of inventory. And a buyer's market will have more than 6 months of inventory. To talk a little further about types of markets, we want to think about in a seller's market, it's an ideal time to list your home since getting an offer at the listed price or even above is likely when you have multiple buyers competing for the same home. Now, being a buyer in a seller's market, that means tough competition and oftentimes making a higher priced offer with aggressive terms is the best strategy you can utilize to win your accepted offer. Now let's take a look at the two ways we can look at absorption rates. One, overall market performance, and two, the market performance of by price or even by a particular point in a market, and we're watching how it's doing in that market. Understanding inventory depletion. Inventory depletion is just a fancy way to say how long it will take the homes that are on the market to sell. Our current absorption rate is 4 in Richmond County. What does that tell us? Well, if market conditions do not change and if no listings come on the market, it will take approximately 4 months for the current inventory to sell at the current pace of the market. A balanced market's absorption rate is typically between 5 to 7 months. What does it all mean? Well, for buyers, if you've been waiting to buy a home, you might want to go ahead and take that action now. Why? There's a shortage of properties available. And what that means is that prices are likely to keep going up. And for sellers, if you are in the market to sell your home or you're even thinking about it, there's no need to wait any longer. You just need to act now to take advantage of this strong seller's market. I just wanted to let you know that we offer 2 additional market reports. Our second market report is a zip code market update. And there we take a deep dive into the data that we have collected, and we go over absorption rates, the active properties, the sold and list pricing, and the turnover rates by zip code. This is going to give you a great idea as to the real estate activities in your zip code. And our final report that we offer is the top selling neighborhoods market report. We are monitoring the activities within specific subdivisions, the solds, the pricing, the absorption rates, but most importantly, we focus on the turnover rates. This is a big indicator as to why these neighborhoods are selling so much faster than other communities in the CSRA. We are your local real estate advisors. We know the market, we know the numbers. And I just wanted to thank you for taking your time to review our 360 monthly market update. See you next month.